often tell readers they should sell a stock immediately if they ever develop qualms about the insiders of a company. How does this apply to the recent reports from SNC Lavalin?
That's a good question. You know, the idea of getting out of a stock when you develop any qualms about the insiders really applies to qualms about the central insiders, the people that are running the company and the thrust of the company. Every company's got bad actors in it, and SNC is a multi-billion-dollar company. And I think from what we've seen, you know, there's something going on there that shouldn't have been, but I don't think it really goes to the core of the company. I think it's the kind of thing that happens in a big company when people just aren't as disciplined as they should be, and there's political events going on. So I think right now that you know, SNC had some problems and it's going to cost some money, but I've reduced it to hold. But I do think this could turn out to be an attractive buying opportunity. But the problem is we just don't know. So I'm going to leave it at hold. But it wouldn't surprise me at all if you bought now, you'd be very happy in 2 to 5 years. But that's of course a little bit different. You know, if you just to clarify, if you discover that a small company, I mean, I'm just thinking off the top of my head, we wound up selling, advising selling a certain Chinese stock a couple of years ago, just because we didn't like the way that the information was being presented. And it turned out that you know, there was a lot of ugly things going on at that company that that really resulted in a lot of people losing money. And we just sold it on the basis that we had qualms. We didn't have any kind of direct evidence of any wrongdoing. So SNC is not in that league. SNC is in a whole other league of multinational companies with, you know, huge revenues and connections all over the world. So the short answer is no, I don't think it's time to sell SNC due to any doubts about the company.